Swansea City 1, Tottenham Hotspur 2, a crucial victory for Spurs, which lifts them up to third place in the Barclays Premier League table. They were a goal in front with 7 minutes on the clock. Gareth Bale and Jan Vertonghen combining, the Belgian completing the move. His second goal against Swansea this season, having netted the winner when the teams met at White Hart Lane in December. Lovely link-up play between the two players, and it would be that combination which worked for Andre Villas-Boas' side again on 21 minutes. A poor clearance from Swansea keeper Michel Vorm put his team in trouble. Vertonghen won the ball halfway inside Swansea's half and found Bale, who still had plenty to do, but didn't he do it in style. That's 17 in the Premier League now for the Welshman, who'd scored on this ground on Tuesday night in his country's defeat against Croatia. Swansea uncharacteristically slow out of the blocks in this game, though they should have halved the deficit with 10 minutes of the first half to go. Nathan Dyer first hitting the crossbar and then seeing the ball rebound off him and drop wide of Brad Friedel's post. Dyer still wondering how that didn't go in. Friedel was replacing the injured Hugo Lloris in the Spurs goal. He was tested more in the second half than he was in the first, as Michael Laudrup's team try to find a way back into the game. Both teams had lost their last two in the Premier League coming into this match. Michu on 15 goals for the season, nodded just wide 8 minutes after the restart from Dwight Tiendali's centre. But the Spaniard wasn't to be denied with 19 minutes left on the clock. Substitute Keys corner, nodded in for goal number 16 in the Premier League in his debut season in the competition for Michu. Swansea pressed but couldn't find an equaliser, so Spurs took the points and are up to third. They won by 2 goals to 1.